How to tip in DoorDash. So for that, first launch the DoorDash app on iOS or Android from your device and find the restaurant or store you want to order. Once you've selected the item you want to order, proceed to checkout, then select continue. Within the checkout menu, adjust your address, delivery method like drop-off, phone number and delivery. Under the Dasher tip, select from the tipping option or select other. If you have selected other, enter the desired tip amount. Then select place order, and you can also do it on website. So for doing that in website, first go to DoorDash website and sign in. Then find the restaurant or store you want to place an order. Once you finish picking your item, select checkout. Adjust the delivery option and then on the right menu bar under the Dasher tip, select the suggested tip amount or select other. If you pick other, enter the amount that you want to give. Select place order when you're done. So that was some easy step how you can tip in DoorDash. Thanks for watching.